In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect K8 wireless microphone to Redmi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Redmi device you have, you can easily set up and use the K8 wireless microphone. So to connect it, grab this unit that has the USB-C end. The K8 wireless microphone consists of a transmitter and a receiver. These devices will automatically pair up between themselves. So all that you have to do is plug the unit with the USB-C end into your Redmi device. So in the charging port, aka the USB-C port, plug it in like this. You might see an LED blink or remain stable. That is a good indicator telling you that it is now seeking the transmitter. So the receiver will sit here, receiving power from your phone, and in the actual microphone where you will speak into, you will find the power button. So all that you have to do now is press this power button for a few seconds. By doing this, it is going to automatically seek out the receiver. So the transmitter and the receiver should automatically pair up between themselves. If this does not happen, make sure that both units are properly powered up and receiving power if needed, like this. Plug them into a battery if needed to charge. Now, once you see the indicator or the LED here remain stable, and you see this one blink or also remain stable, it indicates that the units have been connected. You can now speak into the mic and open any sort of voice recording or voice monitoring application on your Redmi device. You will see the audio levels rising, being picked up by the microphone, and as long as you are in close proximity, they are going to work. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.